Now have you Famra Badwam Mpensenpensemu so on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, and so we be a share a war hodom. Now Pemgiri say, oh, ye pa, that's what you breso. Now, what they share. Very good morning, Encore and Fama contractor back where Ghana had ye. My name ni pa. Onfa gradency ne kwansoni adwuma pa ya woye ukọ especially sunyane importem wonum dia je se obia agena tumo anesa na Ghana for so da wase se oye adwuma so kese sa e de boa wankasa wo man esan so mai de bia be kase nyina ya afam de kakra and be boa ma o man Ghana enso etimi awie peyo good morning to you Alex Zeboa. Yeah, well, Sunyani Aminshra, Adom ya woye. And more a very good morning to MC Yawo Asante Mampo. Honorable Thomas, happy Akubi. Also, meet you on there and a member of Parliament. Poku and Prechum Saponso, meet you. Here for a second here and come Kingdom Home Estate. Kingdom Home Estate. No any estates will be a epe aquacotrem. And one estate is a gun idea. Obia Pesocotram. Come say, Ukosa estate remua. Tourist site na a chow a shear. Into a month for painting qua a free chichini benchaye eba and stasha baby a wankasat. Now the numukran out Kingdom Home Estate. Maybe a shiny ewo ye papa. Ebi ehye no ewoyie ehye eye kama komo chine kopom dan bi toate de be aka just security intact security cause CCTV cameras ebo estate mu enyina da apart from bedroom o hall ene wadwae ba bia fa bia CCTV camera ebo honum Dr. Abofa woni abie ote real estate adwuma nase akwan da so ensuo ba nkania kwo bibia jerem say jeans Kingdom Home Estate otuan mu abamu emu da biada the home say your sacred promo bia ba ne so ba yen chabe timi atwa between 50 to 70% down payment they can spread the best 2 years the amount so the future now want me how the twa ne kotena wankasa fie emu bibia na friend na ginchitemu 0536 149961 0536 149961 and 0303 939 987 0303 939 987 Kingdom now say no challenger ama me wan say efri ya de obinya so na efri ya de ama nipa bebrabu wakadem but until lucky here ba nka na ma ya de aka wahye dem Ghana o kan bibidura ya sabi o ma biye pa enim de wono mu yemu a lucky here ba it say stroke diabetes sebema na so ba na wo hwan yi de ama oba bo so na so bu na ote yawo a ba bia me kan for dem ya lucky herbal center komakache na omo emua bi hwomo ewo gomua ogwa krom wini ba swedo kwante pon so frame 0243 201 244 0243 201 244 and 0277 465 855 0277 465 855 lucky herbal or say why lucky abia fortas here betwe enkomo Dr. Kingsley Nyako a member of Parliament manager wo kwada so wo kumase o man asante mantemu watase wa erba betwe enkomo na ke hwere mu se yebenya NDC member of Parliament also agent ma adehye wo Amenfi East constituency Nicholas Amankwa but baby onam no traffic na yin den tie bompa so timbedura na eja na to aso e de akwa medura ne se enye bo apayo ene bia ma na mfa ma ba bi akwa da ma traffic no ayin mo gine ho a enye Dr. Boko de
Onemi Adom nya
ye da nyankopon aso constituency
Onemi Adom bone bia nim
not me for forms
Onemi Adom na metimi fa no ma mentia atwefo ne atiefo na kanka kwada so constituents
yeah
what be say no Onemi Adom enra na me free Kumasi Banka no pa no
okay
but me team ne adofa largely no me delegates about to be constituency executives, some of them, and electoral coordinators, and council of elders and patrons, and I mean the larger position executives now. I'm looking from on my behalf. And to my first, I'll call you so Adom say. Na my dark cause of consequences, so I say. Now, I'm say, Jumana, your fear, no. Na me Adoma, or may Adom na Yatuaso, Akoso, Abua, Kodaso, constituency near Santa Mai, and near Oman Ghana. So, many I'll be Samia, and now I fly.
For more,
yeah. When Madam, I mean, so far so good. When say elections there, I mean, you can say you're complacent, but you also you're confident.
Yeah.
Now, we are from there. Now that can all their money and coupon because if you ask no, so coupon is here. You are from there. So when we say, you man I no, it's what for so. At the end of the day no, position executives no, I'm a delegates no, I'm not on by this side. Yeah, so you man is not coupon them yeah be. When we say you man no. Your parliament and Badwam now there you so constituency. At least you call parliament no mean almost 3 years January 7. I mean you call parliament you call Adom adwuma ya no kwada so ya makwada so ni mabanyam it's answer debates on the floor maybe on my parliament mean yamfa ya hunye den engine first time MP. We could fire hands out. Your official report, no. We could fire other paper. Who say I mean, Kingsley now can as a constituency.
Okay.
Then we are no your future a room. Or back constituency so a Juma. Ya no. Kakwa yet me no. When you say quite as for no. Money by the and so. That's what so I mean. Media presence. Party no. Ya never bamu. Media also know your boy homodin anytime be a fair piano. We do our best. So we share these 3 areas now. Parliamentary work, constituency work, and working for the party and government now. Let me say, yeah, from the homodin. Yeah.
So one of your constituents, you didn't come in was Sunday at Yama Semimbiana. Me responded to. I'll say 2016, Samu Kodo Nyama, Adom party na 90.01%.
Yeah.
But in 2020, Odomoba around 87.5%. The NHS will be me retain the minimum on what you vote. So,
Unim, say, oh, yeah, electoral analysis. Also, we share the contest no.
Okay.
Do it. Yes, sir, you got it wrong. 2016. The enthusiasm, the yen was changed. And to share almost every region, MPP, your votes no. Of course. So almost everywhere. Ashanti region, I was part of the electoral process. The liaison between the party and the EC. Your name was strong room. No?
Yeah.
I was part of the team. 2016. Ashanti region, you got about 76% of the votes. Come to 2020, we had about 71 or 72, right? And everywhere in the region, apart from some few, about 2 or 3 constituencies are among votes in Kosovo. And Kwadaso, Ashanti region, over the percentage of the votes are. Kwadaso, even though we had 87%, we were the highest in the region.
Oh, okay.
That is a fact.
For the whole of Ashanti region? Yes. 2020?
2020. You can check for the parliamentary presidential ballots.
Okay.
The first constituency in Ashanti region was Kwadaso.
Yeah.
Followed by Bantoma. 3rd was Bekwai. 4th was Bosomtwe. Menchia South was 5th. I'm talking about percentage of the votes.
Okay.
And all determining presidential elections are.
Yeah.
You need percentage.
Yeah.
So even though we had 87%, that was the highest in the region. And so many dynamics.
So the president for the so-called 87.5 in 2020.
Yeah. Yes. Akufo-Addo, yeah. So and as a party person, he made Hanum and what went on.
Okay.
what I say, internal policy, men can want them. But I work so hard. Me see me now, we are two na me campaign.
We say
all the odds.
There's a name be see ma party vote about form in 2020, not just because of your personality.
Hard. Everybody will tell you I work so hard. 2 p.m. na me campaign. There I told 7 December, my father died around 11 a.m. but I still fought that battle. 11 a.m. Then I was told, say, your father is no more. But I executed the election. Mana, me declare ballots in every year. I worked so hard. But you see, I'm telling you, say, in the region, okay. I think, say, Bantuma and I appreciate it.
Okay.
But Kwadaso was the best in Ashanti region. Opa check it, MPP.
Okay.
Throughout the country, check it. Constituency are only the highest in terms of the votes. Percentage check it. Oh, yeah, check it.
Okay.
So Kwadaso was phenomenal. And yeah, why in 2020 MPP? Look, if you look at our parliamentary seats, from 169 came to 137. So the election didn't go all that well for us. And for you to still get that percentage of votes was quite remarkable.
That's you were short by I think around 2.5%.
Yeah. And I also
but did you also bet me at that 2.5% in 2020?
Absolute figures, no.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciative marginally over the 2016 votes, no.
Okay.
But percentage, no, we were the highest.
Because maybe it be a more registration of new entrants, no, echoes record.
And maybe on my main camera. No, I'm telling even Kwadaso, for some reasons, no. Registration, no. Our numbers, we didn't get our target. Some people didn't call for free Kwadaso call other areas some register.
No, this is serious.
Yeah. Some people did that. Election, you know what happens in that day. But the point and so the statistics given by that person is for trouble. I'm telling you that regardless of this, no, Kwadaso was the best in Ashanti region. And again, and Akufo-Addo about 87% of the votes, followed by Bantuma.
How many name for free Kwadaso register?
I'm saying that, I won't say anything about.
I've explained. No, okay, internal.
I'm saying election there, Obia pay advantage near that. So, Obi to me.
So the person that wanted to fight war plus the party.
Me say, and I'm hoping, say, so because of some of my opportunity now.
Okay.
We'll still maintain. We'll do our best to maintain, the feet. Your Chucky, your Kwadaso was the best in terms of percentage of the votes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe on the executive secretary at the National Accreditation Board. On daily graphic and man pay before several call issues daily guide for
Yeah. Yes.
Baby musi MPP die much than much mama ya mano atimi atwa so be ko dem ko ya bon say to but the case them say they said the case dey ba
what's the results no
yeah odi muti ba you one with the highest score so far.
Yeah, okay, so me what's the results no I think from 2017
okay
but results no what's the results no an improvement over the yebeto no
okay
on the so the performance has been improving. So for me, I'm not surprised because maybe a term now or share performance now, especially core areas of maths and science now.
Yeah.
And the percentage now our form, we could do about 25% and all that. More data be at the right time. I'll put them across. But I'm not surprised. Even last year, what's the results now? We saw an improvement over the previous year in terms of the core subjects. No? So for me, I mean, fees in high school, no, about say, about take the right decision, no. So, because even though we have some challenges, they mean heavy sector of our economies, no, challenges. However, about fees in high school now, I think we made gains. What's the performance, no, okay. and later on, in opportunity now, okay. I can give you, some empirical data to support, say, fees in high school, no, what's the performance, no, encouraging.
Okay, so for example, share English language, say, for 2015, it was around 45.2%, and a movie called 51.6% in 2016. 2017 year call 52.2%. 2018 year drop year to 46.9%. 2019 year rise call 49.06%. 2020 year call 57.34%. 2021 54.08%. 2022 60.39%. Then 2023 73.1%.
That I was talking about. It's no shall continuous improvement. In the performance of what's the results now. So fees in high school, no, the data now or the amount HSA. Because 2016, 2015, check the performance. The performance was not so good
but
at all.
Maybe say everything so cry the same 2018. Say yenya two shortfalls in 2018, English language then mathematics. But we share the same 2018 now. Appreciation by integrated science, 50.48%. Then social studies, 73.25%.
But I'm saying, sir, we share the performance under the new patriotic party. No?
Okay.
What's the level now?
From 2017.
Even the lowest no component better than what we inherited. And I think, sir, I've seen the figures.
Oh, the lowest better than
what you inherited. Yeah, share what's the performance, for example.
Okay.
What's the performance?
So what's year 2007?
Yeah, I'm starting from 2010. More data from 2010. 2010, for example,
okay.
24.9 candidates obtained credits in English language,
okay.
mathematics, and at least 3 other subjects.
Okay.
24.9%. Okay, let's say 25%.
Yeah.
2011, 43.9% had credits and above A1 to C6 in mathematics.
Okay.
Okay, 42.10% had credit and above A1 to C6 integrated science.
Okay.
And 76% had credit and A1 to C6 in the English language.
Okay.
2012, 38% of the candidates passed with 5 or more credits, including English and mathematics.
Okay.
38%. Then you come to 2014, English language, 45.2%.
Okay.
Mathematics, 32.4%. Integrated science, 28.7%. See, figures new.
Yeah.
We come to 2015. Mathematics was 25.29%. Integrated science was 23.63%.
Okay.
Look at the numbers. So
yeah. English
was 50.29%. 2016, English language now move a bit higher to 53.1%.
Okay.
Mathematics was 32.82%. Integrated science was 48.48%. 2018, English, 46.79%. A1 to C6. Mathematics was 38.33%. Integrated science was 50.52%. We share 2016 and 2018 now. When we say English language was 53%, right?
Yeah.
2018 was 46.79. So
yeah.
That was a dip. But
yeah.
Mathematics was 38.33 against 32.83 in 2016.
2015.
Both 15 and 16.
16 appreciated by 1%, equal 33.12%, as against 32.
No, the point I'm making is
4%.
Mathematics in 2018 was 38%.
Yeah.
Mathematics in 2016 was 32%. 32.8. So 32.8 it could be 33.
Yeah.
Local 2015 now, mathematics was 25.29, which is 25%.
2015.
Yeah.
2015 mathematics.
Yeah.
I think check is 32.4%.
Okay,
2015.
The figure I have here, mathematics, A1 to C6.
Yeah, that's A1 to C6, yeah.
25. What I have here is 25.29. Also, figure next.
It was 32.4%.
Let me.
For 2015.
Okay, so I have 25.29. We can check that one.
Okay.
2016, I have mathematics 32.83. You have 33. It's the same because I want a figure.
Yeah.
But about 2018, mathematics was 38.33. So the two figures now Kenya on 38% now is higher, isn't it? Integrated science 50.52% in 2018.
Okay, so Dr.
The point I'm making is that then from then we come to 2019.
Yeah.
English was 48.9.
Yeah.
In mathematics was 65.31. Integrated science was 63.1%. Huge increases. 2020, English was 57%.
Okay.
Mathematics was 65.71%.
Okay.
Integrated science was 52.53%. All these figures now are higher than 2015 and 2016, averagely. Look at 2021. English was 54%, maths was 54%, integrated science was 65.7%.
Yeah.
Last year, English was 60.39%, mathematics was 61.39%, integrated science was 62.45%. And you can see that they are even above the average.
Okay. So virtually in 2015 and 2016, the highest score Nankasa was social studies, which was 57.4%, against 54.5% in 2016.
I'm looking at, the excluding social studies, in math, science, and English.
But Oshe way, so people argument almost make it say there has been expansion in enrollment. So totally it translated into number for the for a better at the final round. So we share 2015, 2016 as compared to 2017 to maybe 2023. The number of enrollment for our SHS no across rich and this it is a numbers numbers no in pass no ekosura emano enye nwanwa bebre.
No. Wait mania increase enrollment.
Okay.
But the interventions no any corrector.
Okay.
You will still have the failures. So numbers no for me no encash.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, because you see it's about the numerator and denominator.
Okay.
Say numerator no 100, denominator 100. You still get a perfect number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's an intervention. But menya ubeko school be amodoson o me pass it. Ubeko school are omo and also o me fail it.
Okay.
It's the intervention now put to in place now.
Okay.
In natural sense no, say numbers no doson. I say one no normal year and I be massive failures as a teacher. Oh child here, small class, large class, a class of 20, a class of 100. What I say, 1 year careful, class of 100 no, because of classroom management. 1 year careful, me ensure say, I'm kind of bad day. I'm going to take the omission I say. Because 20 there, you can easily control them. So the numbers no increase. Now students no it means that something good is happening.
Okay.
In terms of the intervention.
Okay.
So you fear to me or be my 2 or be my 10. In normal sense no. Like I say, 2 can be managed well. Yeah. It also depends on the resources you have. Obia Nemaya 10. So or scar. So or coin password or the money that day. So discipline or fear. But me are more effective than Obia or Matua or Niska now on as I said discipline in the house. So these are variables we can control. So but if you leave everything there without any intervention now, large class size, large enrollment, fewer enrollment, 1 year careful, large enrollment no will be affected without putting in place the right intervention. So one, Fisney High School no, it's good you brought this point. I show up enrollment.
Yeah.
If we are doing about 1.3 million, okay, from 650,000 that we came to meet. And on top of this, you can see great performances exhibited by our children. Now saying yes, science and math quiz, Professor Kaufman.
Yeah.
We know because your marks no. Okay, I say free senior high school a help performance of the learners. Okay, check. So I'm say if you are seeing you adibia you might have challenges. They are there. Even advanced countries, they have challenges. You feel me? What challenges?
Okay.
In institutions, we have challenges, but the question is, come on, obey me, I minimize the challenges, no so what strengthen the positive sides, no. So I'm for equitize fees near school. Maybe sure I know MSA. I don't have any problems say be or criticize it. So, but are there positives?
Okay.
Positives no also can was him.
But are there some things that we need to any qualify for that review now over the years? I'm for a qualified. Maybe if say the factor in performance will be.
I agree.
Uphill.
I agree. That's what I'm saying is policy be at a certain point, no, or say review or say analysis. Once I'm channel, or say we share progress. They say I share performance, no. Now you who say free senior school, no, all things being equal, no. You who say gains, no, in terms of performance, no, enrollment, no, than before. Okay. And I agree with you, say, can we do something differently? And only the discussion now, maybe say meaningfully, no, or say you have, but to rubbish it, talk down about it as if say the bunny bino. That is where I have issues. At least me no should come no. You nyaba could be no what is it at their school be onya straight A's.
Yeah.
Why? At least onya scholarship ever one of the schools in the United Kingdom. His performance among his cohort no was the best. Or your product of a free senior school. So it's a OT and our time or let us look at the strengths. Yen strengthen, yen improve upon the strengths. No, not the issues. No, yen find we are a bit delay with issues. No, say jai free senior high school, we will still have issues in our school system. Free senior high school, now you need issues in our school system.
Schools under treason.
Northern part of this country. Now was it feeding grants virtually they were not paying anything, but still we had issues. Now we're feeding grants and call. Okay, got to a point, company not chalk company, Richard the company. We didn't even have them. Emma, Misata, the late, the wife, can't say or school be. I said you don't even have chalk. We didn't have fees in our school, but we still have issues in our school system. What did I say? Now arrests. In terms of some of the payments, they were all there. Now, free senior school as some of the count, just spending about 8.something billion cedis fee. So there will be issues. But I thank God, say we are seeing some improvement, and I'm sure, say Ministry of Education and Ghana Education Service. I mean, almost now, I'm sure, say they are looking at the system and also to ensure, say we get the best. Out of the system in here.
But this will be because yellow marking scheme nema yet success we are.
And come failure and come back me bawo. Oma passing to no say oma lowa. How do we do this to ourselves? It may be okay. Former Minister of Education running mate to
Professor Jenano Pokwaji
running mate to John Mahama in the last election. Yeah. Even bastardizing the system say what is saying either they were taught or they were malpractices. That's what she said. Now, the way say, "Oh, you are discrediting our school system." And Kolaya, dear, my choice of my passy, meaning, you're more mabaso. Yes, I know more feeling no. Now, you can say, I mean, you increase my king scheme nana. So, my idea, you're more mabaso. So, my idea, you better. Lancashire, I'm sure say maybe we'll come there. Let us be fair to ourselves. Meaning as a country, I am not saying near the idea or disagreement. But there Emma or man anymore abanyamno. You know perfectly there. But we should be proud of ourselves about the little gains that we are making. Meaning, let us have this attitude. So I dare I'll see a can. Now enquire on Tino Oba, or this our test number no. The back home and the banner yard they are. And you know, Obeka say, yellow marking scheme. Is that fair? Obi bad there. Shankaya, Obi Bantino, or say, yellow marking scheme. No, your bad there, Obeka say, Obana yard there. Is that fair?
Have we been able to deal with our education system well?
But I'm saying that we can still make improvement. You say we have issues. My education is.
Yeah.
my child there all my life. I'm on the education committee in Parliament. What I say, my child in the University of Ghana for 8 years. At my secondary school, my child on my 18 classes. So I've been in the teaching system for some time. Over the years, I'm a child here. There have been issues. But I think, sir, we are making some slight gains in improving upon our school system.
But your investment so far,
our last year, budgetary allocation to the Education Ministry was about 24.5 billion, about 24.5 billion or so cedis.
Yeah.
This year, 29.5 billion. Yeah. You know what I mean? So we've seen some improvement on some channel. In terms of our GDP, I think this year was about 13% to GDP. Okay. So we are investing, but over limited resources. So also you need to prioritize a normal way. I want to say we did some small economics be university first year, and especially A-level scale of preference.
Yeah.
Will lead to opportunity cost. So over limited resources also we'll get to priorities right.
But looks as if your priorities not quite the senior high schools. Abra as a the lower primary too much.
I think we have some interventions at the basic school level. So some intervention, but I think you bet me I am more. So I know some interventions be a year to improve enrollment basic school level. So on some channel, and about 20 teachers dedicated on the core areas.
Okay.
So can do only because now my child level my 18 now.
Yeah.
Boy be Thomas Menu. He say our GTech.
Okay.
Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. First never now.
Yeah.
Now my child there now free Adumtia and about my 18. By 2 or 3 months. But not very intelligent. So now I catch him on said that be an opportunity be on Cameroon and I'm the university. At those times Thomas brings some question I had to think before I could. That guy was very smart. But when you're quite uncle in secondary school, because I'm my masters and also ocean driving. That was all that could help him to get a driving license. No boise. So to Thomas and to opportunity and day. But that guy, an opportunity now. Those times when you or Charlie let the blame the quality of the writing was huge. And to me what in the and I brought him there. So I'm the driver. Or the name free of Boise, Abakumasi. You know, can say, Neba Penny watch a motor. So if Thomas had gotten the opportunity, Thomas would have been somewhere, you know what I mean? Somewhere. But
so maybe call break about my main summary but my summarize the message with. I was saying good morning. Greet Dr. Kingsley Nyako for me. I was saying find out from doctor. I like this question. Has government relegated our lower primary and now focusing on secondary school? Because it looks as if most of the students who pass to our secondary schools of late are not coming from government schools. Most are coming from these private institutions. Thus, if this quality are there, government cannot take credit for it, but rather people building them from their own sweat. Government should focus on building our lower primary to a higher standard. Amwako Onyina Edway Efri Kumasi. I don't know where. Kumasi specific.
So government will program be a fellow Gallop.
Okay.
Ghana Accountability for Learning Outcome Projects. Gallop and that Gallop a lot of money, millions of dollars. Focusing on rural areas, especially at the basic school level.
Okay.
So that intervention. I'm saying there are so many interventions there. aban yet to improve upon. Okay. Probably Adom back a core private schools.
Yeah.
Government schools they are doing well.
Okay, me Bani Ababa share this issue now already say most of the name how he comes to arrive at the most of the students are passing to
and also
SHS.
I mean, to find out. But I don't have the data here, so I know what the
data now. So data now bet me the boy and share and kwada a free private schools are call SHS and one a free government schools are or when you have good grades at the call SHS. Kabila Chairman.
Oh, Charlie, Minya partner. Body.
Okay, everyone see
very smart guy.
Numbers now a draw for another pay. Game back happening.
Mr. Onye Professor Kabila.
Yes, I want you to baby. Say more numbers are dropping more didi and a pemu dem poto. Body and drop payment paba. We are 2 of a number 6. Ubenya another draw. Good morning to you, Rashid Araman. Ujina Epre Medina West. Assemblyman Abatoya Ebasu Ebinara. She said, "Father, second say come a for what Medina West Abato Empesua Swinina so Damase. Though couldn't be but I still believe the battle is still the Lord's. Yamini Nimni Oye and Oye Man, so the Winina Masamunia GD Pokra with him. Now what to be to about a day a man. He lives to fight another day. Kel Chaco toothpaste any. Since no beer at the airport is actually see, I'm going to know to me. Ada honum come. We simeti fita come ama one yet me abamua. I culture toothpaste and I make for and I can't be dinner and good body taste so and the chase and one and the other based paste no be a ritualism. Open papa with the culture and crying so the okay kid at the year papa to cry the tune on more so chilisia. Or best we can say best and present that could be a Baby to supermarket be could be our Sabe ato at 4 and 0593 809 0593 809 and 0246 865 798 0246 865 798 amount good smell. Other messages be a Prof and to us. We say, good morning. Those who are doubting this year's WASI results, I want to know whether NPP selected party members to set the questions, mark and grade them. Why do some people hate to hear the games being shocked by free SHS like that? Question or not? A referee Aguna or being and all day by. So, Doctor, you're wrapping up on the issue about most coming from private schools passing as against free Aban school more. Among for free say. Me and passy. Yeah,
so and I'm going to say or say in here data to analyze that.
Yeah.
Going to me more team
and fan cash
and Pakistan. And you can say I doing say government assisted schools no. Me I don't believe that because teachers now more no they are highly trained teachers. Most of them, all of them, because they're 20 child, you can't be there.
But let's that perception no reality say when they call Aban school
Aban school
that's a primary no
because guys in primary school you know what I mean minimum phobia call Aban school you see Munya or say very careful
okay
me no I'll support the idea say probably or say more at the level on say you call off no me or the discussion be I think say or say more basic level, especially at the preschool level. So, kindergarten education, for example, they go for now 2007. Or my kindergarten education is compulsory. First, never compulsory, but a Columbia or kindergarten piano is being prepared. So, for higher learning outcomes. So, because first never be now started school class 1 at the age of 6. And to know class 1 no. Then, as compared to be or no call kindergarten, you prepare before you come there. So, so if you say more attention has to go there. And I think say abandon so a young more baby a bit to me. I make it that but you see, and maybe on the mouse very careful. Oh, because of the this group of people are better than this group of people no. there should be some interventions. Also control so many variables. So one time control variable now. A bed is because on the face of it, because maybe a private school for dear chain a public school for. But who knew the cost or private school?
Okay.
And the cost or public school. So yantimi identify now and control those variables now. It makes me a misleading outcome. So you know, moving on, but I say we need to ensure say school system no hugely improved, more resources. So young channel, especially at the base, it means channel more resources to the base coming up no, all body are more difficult. But I want to take the opportunity to say, former Minister for Education, Matepoku Pempe, or build a very strong foundation. So for our school system, no, and Dr. Duchom so our bet to us so, and our credit will also go to Nana Kufuado. Say or Sunday, Papa, say yenye fees in high school, not the China Punsa, Emano, starting the year. So Emma Duchom so our bet to us so. It's all well and good. Meaning as a fees in high school, no, I am my benefits. I didn't think Ghana for young mom pie say I didn't energy. So those beside my question back on. Maybe fee say a touch mano, young to our dream, not young correctly, young coyanim. So then say Obeka say I didn't yet. Meanwhile, I'm going to pass it. Almost pass it more than before fees in high school. So how do you say it's not? It's not good. How do you say that? How do you come to that conclusion? You see the evidence, the results are there. You see them. What they compare previous one now? Or say I would say, the Enquano air passing, and yet as compared to gentleman passing, you don't do that. You don't do that in any meaningful system.
This brings me to this discussion. Over 9,000 teachers.
My main chair, Kabila. Kabila also about town.
Also about town.
One of the finest brains in this country. Very deep, very analytical. He's a great guy. And you know, Kabila, I admire you a lot because of, your depth of, knowledge. Me say when you're not professor, so on yet. But I think one day, he has to become so that you can transfer and impact the one on other persons.
Over 9,000 teachers failed 2023 licensure exams.
Say over 9,000 failure. Also, say about 12,000 passed. You see, Ghana had on the zone. Also, very careful. I now also you focus on the donate failure. No, now because 52% pass you, 52.6%, 53% and pass you. So it means about 47%
47%
and dangerous. Yes. Me, I'm saying
teachers a try exam so move fail.
July. Make a exhibition.
Okay.
Amateur licensure no Wesley College.
Okay.
Kumasi koye. Omo now omo no me reciters so. That one no 16 the one pass here near 16%. 16%, which means 83% and failure. But this one no 53% are passing. And omo change a curriculum no for that. First now 3 components. Previous one now assess numeracy, literacy, and essential skills. But this time no, almost a now a general pedagogy and general paper, so and a special area. And they say, oh, your physics teacher, maybe assess so in physics. General paper no assess more of critical thinking. Let's say because 1+1, the amount scenario be you have to think before you resolve it. So for me, it is something good. Now, you may say, I will say land fish no any honor.
Okay.
In your nama or man to me and personal. They are going to teach our children. They're going to teach our children. The first say a man personal doesn't mean so many good because exams okophilia doesn't mean say onya de. Maybe to me see e be now yare Ibiana agenda was saying no question one say these are all part of it. That's why we have second chance reset no.
Okay.
So you can say omo man na ade no. Opportunity for them to be right. Ni who say ebia sanko for no bi no. And come culture and come on. That's it. Oko medical school we are all to licensure exams. Law because you admit to the bar no.
Yeah.
You have to write bar exam. These are professional examination. Yet so we call law school in West Ghana now pass you know.
Yeah.
What I say before say you bakola no.
Yeah.
You have to write an exam now.
Sure.
Who will swear? These are screening processes to get the best out of the system. No, I'm saying say maybe what can say maybe law.
Yeah.
Law student. Nipa am no. We been failure. But now no, it's better.
Yeah.
Which for me no, on the other side no, a better man from will say they have to work harder to pass. Don't take it for granted. If you come on a culture, if you come on a man from the serious, it will let you sit down. I mean sit up and do it well. So, and I'm telling you, say reset no, only 16% passed. That was in July. Now it's 52%, and these are regular students. So, and the dimension of questions no, are different. Where Cecil special area. General paper, I say critical thinking.
Yeah.
Critical thinking. On the material, and a pedagogy, how to teach and all that. So let's say one go through no, be a part of the 9,000. They say, a mamu who say nyadie, who say ebian so be nearby. It's an opportunity for them to correct it. That's it. Now Ghana first must say. A man I say because say man it means say the licensure exam no is something bad. At least assume me say not 9,000 no their true performance when other variables have been controlled. Let's even assume that is it good for our children or bad for our children?
0302-211-701, 0302-211-702, 0302-211-703, then 0302-211-704. Bet me I join discussion. Na ere arape apne anope Dr. Kingsley Nyako ye member of the Education Committee of Parliament, former Executive Secretary at the NAB and Abaye GTech. The member of Parliament ma de share work kwada so wo omei asante man to say seeking for re-election and open no because very kaka today tia NDC rep and also ba show so entimi ama medronya bo apayo traffic okotomu na ahano 0302211701 0302211702 ekosi 4 obetimi afre na wa join discussion no so ye koye ni modia ye talk so maintain licensure exams against the campaign by John Dramani Mama say obetwem
John Muhammad, ya name ya o.
Oh, what?
Ya say, I think say, we're never ready to lead this country again because, with all due respect, and yes, Professor Mills Efrima, I didn't see how our uncle Badwam Mpensenpensemu. He became a Mpensenpensemu by default. Badwam Mpensenpensemu. The modern answer. The same John Mahama in 2016.
Harriet, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho dey free.
Pacho me free simple.
But ye tio.
Pacho la teachers license exam say what can bitterly people are complaining bitterly. Doctors are license. Even nurses we do license after completing school. Now they na mo we no aye mo wan wasa no. It's a motion no be na bibia nye equal. Mesra mo a. That's crowd. Next ko ye no fail you. They will fail you 3 times before you get to the field.
Okay.
The motion no me.
Madam, good morning. Hello, good morning. Fasheme, wait me you know so. Who's the Indiana you
Tio. 2016.
Yeah.
The then Director General of the Ghana Education Service, Mr. Cole or something, Minya, under Mahama, or Kase 2016-17 academic year, on being to pursue licensure examinations in this country. Mahama policy to be to pursue licensure. I feel the same person now, because at that time I think it was around August. Uncle Winia, Uncle Bob or no be. Now the or say and I don't get him. Because see, this is double standard. Is it for political expediency? Now say call for education be the students are saying say Muhammad licensure no I mean should be done away with. We have to be candid and fair.
Okay. I was good morning
to ourselves.
Morning no.
I was so free.
Me practically kumate.
Matieti wakosi.
Usha your mama cast over the criminal. And then a bet in a bit of Ghanaian. Because at least Usha Sadia yeah. Ama corruption yeah. After the Pacotra, no one training, Nipacotra, Niparut with a what train you. Bibia, yes, that teacher was shot there, or Patradia. Near Dako exams and San Wababy. Binya and Yoma Emma Ghana, Yoma Bibia, or Pano Chumwa, and the Yadipa, and then a Chama Papa, man, a woman in this or Deba. And it's a 1 year, a patrol of a chip, near Yoma, Cotrinia, do Tia, Bitria, or free or my.
But may I say, Francis, good morning.
Good morning.
Francis, so free.
But you're a Christian.
Francis, you.
Mention me, dear Kakani say, me, you know, the NTR. A teacher for a binomo.
France minima say only what for mental okay, and I say if we had no more.
Hello,
I have Francis.
What
I have me talk, yeah.
Let's say, the NTR almost slow licensure. Because, Papa, who came in?
Meet your pa.
Every professor who years school, you have to get the license. So what you are saying? And Sana work for professional teaching a professional job.
Okay.
And maybe a chama na ye kuku niemamu obi o sabi obi we teaching no o kira de kro hu ni tin na nine. It is a you know say abai no hu ni say e boas central license here. Papa what you hu dia chiro.
But I say Mr. Nobody, good morning.
Good morning, me da say. Me ka fa kuku duma say.
Okay.
Na ojuma pa wudi na openyini me da na say. Che MPP aban eba ye no ana ma education e kono ni mo ba ye fi say enye yi sama ye former president won no daba de no ye on ka shock crack ka no si on timi ntua na ye bo say wo pe shock a wo ka fa koto o mo penyi na do pa ku fa do ni ba oni aba ye no she nyama e ko so for education in kola e passe exam so mo passe. When you probably me boo man on him.
Okay.
Me da say.
Let's better say it for phobia. ABM doctor.
Me cannot. Yeah, date no daily graphic front page Wednesday September 21, 2016. Things I come about them.
Yeah.
New teacher licensing starts 2016-17 academic year. Mr. Jacob Ko, Director General of the Ghana Education Service. This was under John Mahama and Nana Jane Opoku Ajimai.
Okay.
Adia Momo de Bano.
Okay.
Now no o cassette for that reason. So that populism no, Mahama and it's omunyai.
Okay.
They should think about Ghana more than interest to lead this country.
But I say,
Nana Opoku Ajimai. O catch me say. We have vice chancellor of University of Ghana. We have full professor.
UCC.
Sorry, University of Cape Coast, Miami School. We have vice chancellor. Watch that there for so many years, and all rubbish. License examination. Oh, lithium.